Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you. We're going to be opening up the Jessie James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box for the month of August. Now if you're not familiar with that box, I'll leave a link down below so you can go to the website and check it out. Also, if you don't already know, I'm going to be giving away a necklace set that I made about a week ago using the beads from the July box. It's a gorgeous boho style necklace set. So if you want a chance to win that necklace set, all you have to do is go to that YouTube video. I'll leave the link down below. Watch the video, subscribe to my channel, and then leave a comment down below that video. The deadline is 10 September, so sometime after the 10th of September, I'll let everybody know who the winner is. Okay, everybody, I'm anxious to open up this box, so let's go ahead, turn the camera around, and we'll get started. Okay, let's open up this beautiful box. And the name of the box is called Autumn Woods. And as you can see, we have all kinds of autumn themed illustrations. We have mushrooms, owls, squirrels, leaves. On the back is a description of what's in the box. And here are the names of the bead strands, the bead mixes. So let's go ahead and get started. Look at all of these colors, guys. Oh my gosh. Beautiful fall colors, as you can see. Let me move the box off to the side and we'll take out all of the bags. This first one is called Moss and Fern. As you can see, it's a beautiful bead mix. And then we have this other one called Falling Leaves. And boy, these are so beautiful. Look at this. Look at these gorgeous leaves. I can't wait to open this one. Let's see what else is in here. We have another bead mix, Red Cap Mushroom / Amanita Muscaria. I have no idea what that is, but it's very pretty. I see a lot of reds in here and some cream colored beads. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have another bead mix. Mulled Cider is the name of this bead mix. Pretty colors. And of course we have a gorgeous bead strand. The name of this bead strand is called Woodfire. Gorgeous. And here's another one. And this one is called Who's Ready for Fall? And look how they spelled who's. Isn't that cute? Very pretty. We have some sort of stone pendant. We'll open it in a few minutes. And we also have some seed beads. The name of this mix is called Pumpkin Spice. Beautiful colors. And that's all there is, I think. I always check underneath. Sometimes things slip underneath. Okay, let's go ahead and go through each one of these items. Let's take another look at these gorgeous bead strands. Very pretty, as you can see. I love these colors. We have some champagne colors, pale peach colors, gray tones, bronzy colors, pale orange. So beautiful. Let me give you a close-up. Look at this gorgeous matte rondelle. Isn't it pretty? And then we have these large daisy spaces. Looks like these are some wooden beads. And these beautiful big rondelles. And this one has some bead caps. It looks like they're attached. Or maybe not. No, they're not attached. But look how pretty it looks with the bead caps. These are very, very pretty. I love these. They're so beautiful. And then this one here. I love this name. Who's Ready for Fall? And, well, this is why they spelled it that way. We have some owls, some owl beads in here. Aren't they adorable? There are 2 of them, so you can definitely make earrings. That's one of the nice things about Jessie James Bead strands. Usually they give you 2 of each, and then they always put 1 center bead. Okay, so you get 1 in the middle and then 2 of each of the other ones. Looks like we have some copper bead caps, some gold spacer beads. Very pretty, guys. Look at that. Don't you love it? This bead mix is called Mulled Cider. Let me go ahead and open it for you. It's what they call a mini mix. I can see some gorgeous yellow tones and orange tones. Very beautiful. It reminds me of a sunset actually, but they're definitely fall colors. I'm going to go ahead and arrange them on a magic rod so you can see how they're drilled. And here are some of them. These are the larger ones. I love these coin beads. Look how pretty that color is. So beautiful. And these are very pretty too. They have extra faceting, as you can see. They're round beads. And these beautiful golden yellow frosted beads are absolutely adorable. I love these. Now, I don't know what color these are. They kind of look like a coffee color, but they have a slight hint of pink on them. They have some kind of pink coating on them. I don't know if you guys can see when I turn them, but they're very beautiful. I love these because they're frosted, and I love adding frosted beads in my designs because it makes the piece look so much more interesting in my opinion. Let me give you a close-up. Very pretty. And here's some more. Look how pretty these are. These are so unique. I love the open sections. I love that design. And here are some pearl beads in a muted orange color. Then we have these coin ceramic beads. Very interesting glazing on them. And then we have some more ceramic beads here in a greenish yellowish color. These have pretty big holes, as you can see. And so do these. And cage beads. I love cage beads. Can you guys see the little crystal inside of them? They're so cute. And I think these are wooden beads. These disc-shaped beads. I'm pretty sure these are wooden. Let me give you a close-up. Aren't they pretty, guys? Very lovely colors. And then we have these two charms that are wrapped in a kind of a satin fabric with a gold loop. Pretty lightweight, so these would actually make a nice pair of earrings. I'm anxious to open this one up. The name of this bead mix is Moss and Fern. As you can see, we have a lot of green colors in here. Let me open it up. We definitely have earth tones going on here. Beautiful greenish colors, as you can see. Some wooden beads, very earthy looking, definitely botanical. We have some acorns, as you can see. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. They're in a bronze color. And this is a little squirrel. Isn't that adorable, guys? Look how adorable that little squirrel is. Oh my gosh. Let's see, we have two tiny acorn charms. And we have, this looks like a double loop connector, a very cute acorn. And I just love this little squirrel. So adorable. Oh my gosh. Let me give you a close-up. Look how cute these are. I'm definitely going to have some fun with these. And then we have these two tassel charms in a green color, a forest green color. Let me go ahead and put these beads on a rod so you can take a better look. I just realized we have two squirrels. I didn't see the second one. It was hiding under a bead. So these would definitely make adorable earrings, wouldn't they? We have a couple of large cube beads, wooden, as you can see. And then we have 4 of these faceted coin beads in a pretty champagne color. And these teardrop shaped beads, faceted. And these are opaque in a forest green color, as you can see. Let me show you the hole of the wooden beads. Can you see the hole? You can definitely put them on leather cord because they're nice and big. Let me give you a close-up. I love them. And here are the rest of them. I love these green ones. They're a little bit smaller than the orange ones that I showed you in the first bead mix, but they would look really nice together. Let me get them. As you can see, they're frosted the same way. These might be a little bit more transparent, but I think they would look really nice together. These look like they're wooden beads, as you can see. Okay, and then we have some more ceramic beads here in a kind of a coffee color, coffee and cream color, with large holes, as you can see. Okay, and then these have a very interesting facet. I don't know if you guys can see the faceting. It's very interesting. It's kind of done on an angle. It's hard to describe, but they're absolutely stunning. I love them. Let me give you a close-up. I'm anxious to open this one up. Red cap mushroom, Amanita muscaria. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure what Amanita muscaria is. I'm going to have to Google it up. Okay, I just Googled it because curious minds want to know. Apparently, it's a type of fungus, probably some kind of mushroom. Let me go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, look at this. So cute. It's a mushroom. There's the front and there's the back. As you can see, it's hollow in the back. Gold tone. And we have some tiny tassels. I love tiny tassels. So cute. And then we have these pretty charms. And these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. There's a little loop on the top, as you can see. It looks like somebody inserted a head pin and did a wrap loop. So that's nice that they did the work for us. And there are 2 of these, okay. I am going to have to clean up those wraps though. They look a little messy, but that's okay. It looks like pretty soft wire, so I can definitely fix that. I'm just grateful that they did that for us. What a pretty effect. So these are actually just 6mm beads with a couple of bead caps, and look what a difference the bead caps make. Okay, let me go ahead and arrange these on a rod so we can take a better look. And here are some of them. This is such a pretty shade of red. You know, I don't normally go for bright reds, but these beads look stunning in this color. And it looks like they gave us some more of the frosted beads. I'm not sure what size they are. They look like maybe a 9 or a 10mm size bead, but we have them in 3 different colors. We have the golden yellow, the greenish ones, and then these red ones. And they also gave us some more of these ceramic beads in this color. So again, we have these in 3 different colors. So that's going to make it a whole lot easier to come up with a design of some sort. And then we have these beautiful rondelles with a pearl finish on them. They're so pretty. The luster is gorgeous. I put bead caps on them so you can see how different they look with the bead caps. And a couple of gold corrugated beads or melon beads right here. Let me give you a close-up. And here are the rest of them. So we have these beautiful frosted cone-shaped beads and some pretty leaf beads. They're so dainty. Oh my gosh, I've never seen beads like these before. They're so dainty. I love them. And then a bunch of red rondelles. As you can see, I put some daisy spaces in between them. Well, except for this one. I don't know what happened to that one. I had to fix it because I guess I'm a little bit of a perfectionist sometimes. Not always, but sometimes I am. So anyway, look how pretty these are, guys. I love these. I love small beads. They add so much to a design. And if you like dainty style jewelry, you're going to love these beads. Now I don't want to take these seed beads out because I don't want them all over my mat, but the name of this mix is called Pumpkin Spice. As you can see, we have 4 different colors. This looks like a rose gold. Okay, then we have this other one. This looks like a peach color, I would say, peachy color, with a very pretty luster. I don't know if you guys can see the luster. So pretty. And then this one looks like it might be maybe copper or bronze colored. I think it's more copper. And then we have this frosted yellowish color. And all of these look like they're size 11O. Beautiful. And here we have a lovely stone pendant. And I have no idea what kind of stone this is. The card does not say what kind of stone it is. It just says stone pendant. And I don't even want to guess, guys, okay? I really don't. But it looks semi-transparent, as you can see. I guess it could be some kind of agate. I really don't know. But it's beautiful. It really is. It's a very pretty stone. It has some very interesting spots inside. Look at this. Yeah, I don't even want to guess what kind of stone it is. Now it's pretty big. It's about, let's see, 30 by 49.5 it looks like. Let me shine a flashlight through it so you can see how transparent it is. So yeah, it's semi-transparent, okay, I would say. So I don't know, it could be quartz, it could be agate. If anybody out there knows what it is, please comment down below, okay? But it's a very stunning pendant, nevertheless. I love this stone. Last but not least, we have this mix called Falling Leaves, and I can't wait to see what's inside. How pretty are these leaves? Oh my gosh, how pretty are these leaves, guys? Look at these. I don't know what material this is, but they're absolutely adorable. I love these. And they're drilled across the top here, okay? That's how they're drilled. Aren't they pretty? And we have 2 wooden leaf beads. Aren't they adorable? Oh my gosh, so cute. Let's see what else. We have these. You can see the veining in these. They're so gorgeous. I love these. Oh my gosh. And we have 1 large coppery bead, copper colored. So beautiful. And a bunch of these little ones. These are more of a bronze color, I would say. Very lightweight. And 2 of these gold tone leaf charms. Don't you love these, guys? Definitely fall themed with all these gorgeous pendants and charms. And I love how they named it Falling Leaves. Absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Well, here's the whole collection, and yes, I did put them back in the bags because I didn't want to get them mixed up, and I still need to staple this one. But don't you love these colors, guys? I absolutely love these colors. I know I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. Hopefully I can come up with a tutorial for a bracelet or a necklace or something. So please come back and check my channel and look for that video. Let me go ahead and clean this up and I'll come back and say goodbye. I had such a great time opening up that box. I love all of those beads and I love those gorgeous leaf pendants and charms. And those squirrels were so adorable. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Please check back for the tutorial coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.